Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're not. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to single crochet 2 together, and at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a comparison of the 2 stitches and my honest opinion about which is best for amigurumi. The first stitch I'm going to show you how to do is the invisible decrease stitch. This stitch is worked in the front loops only, so if you turn your work to the side, you can see that the tops of the stitches look like little V's. It's made up of 2 loops. We're going to be working into the loop that's facing you, that's facing the outside of your work. This is the front loop. Insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch. Swing your hook downwards, and again insert your hook into the loop of the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So that is how you do an invisible decrease. I'm going to demonstrate this a couple more times. The invisible decrease is supposed to look like a regular single crochet. Now most of you may be able to tell that it is not just a regular single crochet just by looking at it, but I feel like it does a pretty good job of hiding the fact that it's a decrease in disguise. Now I'm going to show you how to do the common single crochet decrease stitch. For this stitch, we will be crocheting into the entire stitch, so both the front and the back loops. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. I'm going to demonstrate this a couple more times for you. So that is the common single crochet decrease stitch. So for this toy's decreasing rounds, I use the invisible decrease stitch, and as you can see, for the most part it looks like a regular single crochet stitch, which I really like, and that's why I'd use this stitch a lot for amigurumi. I also like that it doesn't leave a lot of gaps. Once you start your decreasing rounds, it's really hard to keep your stitches nice and tight, and that's why I'd always recommend sizing down your hook once you begin your decreasing rounds. So if you've been working on this project with a size G hook, once you begin your decreasing rounds, I definitely recommend moving to a size F hook. So for this toy, I use a common single crochet decrease stitch, and as you can see, it doesn't look like a single crochet stitch, but I really don't mind the way it looks. Only thing about this stitch is that it does leave a lot more gaps. So definitely size down a hook if you're working with this stitch. Personally, I prefer the invisible decrease stitch. I love the way it looks, and I really love the fact that it doesn't leave gaps. Which stitch do you guys like best? I'd love to know in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.